And 4. Subject and predicate. Warm up. Use a vertical line to separate these sentences into subject and predicate. Siddharth is a good boy. Siddharth. Diya is writing a letter. Diya. The kitten slept in the basket. The kitten. Dad bought a new car yesterday. Dad. The sun is shining brightly. The sun. The thief was catched by the police. The thief. We slept in our tents during the trek. We. The farmers are plucking the field. The farmers. The teacher handed out the notebooks. The teacher. I am going to the dentist's office in the afternoon. I. The people were saved from the burning building. The The people. Bhaichung Bhutia is a well-known football player. Bhaichung Bhutia. All sentences are made of two parts, subject and predicate. The subject is who or what the sentence is about. The predicate tells us about the subject. The subject usually comes before the verb. For example, Ravi plays football. Maya lives in Mumbai. Maya lives in Mumbai. However, the placement of subject and predicate in a sentence may vary depending on the kind of sentence. Interrogative sentences. In interrogative sentences, the subject comes after the verb. For example, where is James? What are you doing? In interrogative sentences containing two verbs, the subject comes between the two verbs. For example, what are you doing? Have you seen my notebook? Would you like to have some coffee? To find out the subject, we write the question as a statement. For example, is this your pencil? This is your pencil. Did you watch the match? You watched the match. Imperative sentences. In imperative sentences, the subject is implied. For example, you please pass the salt. You put the flowers in the vase. Exclamatory sentences. In exclamatory sentences, the subject comes before the verb. For example, what a beautiful picture it is. How amazing these children are. Their hair is sentences. In sentences which begin with there or here, the subject comes after the verb. For example, there are many trees in the garden. Here is the lost book. Join each subject with the correct predicate. The book is on the table. The sun is shining brightly. Barking dogs seldom bite. The shepherd minds his sheep. The rooster crows in the morning. The earth goes around the sun. The old man walked with the help of a stick. You, please come here. Identify the subject in these sentences. You, come here. She sang a song. There is a fly in my soup. Mr. Khanna lost his car keys. There is no place like home. How lovely the flowers are. Where is the medicine box? There is a mouse in the attic. Have you painted the wall? Rehman was washing his car. The jackals were howling at the moon. The pink lilies added color to the room. Divide the following sentences into subject and predicate and write them in the space below. Saira and Jamal went to Tina's party. Kamal and Arjun went off to play football. We will be going out for dinner tonight. I need a laptop for my work at office. Did you need some tissues? Suhana's bag was very heavy. Saira and Jamal is a subject. Kamal and Arjun is a subject. We is a subject. I is a subject. You is a subject. Suhana's is a subject. Went to Tina's party is a predicate. Went off to play football is a predicate. Will be going out for dinner tonight is a predicate. A laptop, need a laptop for my work at office is a predicate. Do need some tissues is a predicate. Bag was very heavy is a predicate.